sitting, sitting. She's got a banana and orange. She's wearing a sticker. Sticker or
skirt, jeans.
Skirt or jeans. Ano dito? Ano ba dito? Skirt or jeans? Ano?
That's a skirt.
Ito?
This one, the skirt.
She's, taking fruit juice. Milk. There's a picture. There's a picture. Clock on the wall. Clock on the wall. Anne's bags under the table. The clock bending in front of Anna. There's a toy book in Anna's bag. Yeah. Kasi remember dito to hindi. The radio's next the window. The radio's next the window. Door. Motor. Hindi ko alam ito. What's this? A dog got 6 legs. No, a cat can fly. There are trees on the moon.
Are there trees on the moon?
No. We can drink milk. Yes. We wear socks on our head. No. We wear socks on our head. Elephants are very small. No. That's not right, diba? A frog can jump. Yes, he can jump. My mom is 14 years old. 14 years old.
14 years old.
Yes, diba?
Am I 14 years old?
No. We can eat tables. Can eat tables. There are 7 days in a week. Yes, diba? A tiger's got 4 legs, diba? Can we see with our ears? No. Lions like meat. Yes, diba? Okay. Oh man, I don't know. No. Nawala TV. Erase. Paano ba? Dog. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Cat. Fish.